Hey fellas, what's up? Today, well, pretty much as usual, we've got a bunch of interesting fail moments lined up for you today. Let's kick things off with some footage from an accident that happened somewhere in Russia back in 2014. As you can see, the footage is old and pretty low quality, but that doesn't mean it isn't exciting. Quite the opposite. Whenever something this old and low quality comes out of Russia, you just know it's going to be awesome. So, let's see if they can pull off the recovery. Well, looks like the pipe layer just switched from recovery mode to autonomous mode. This guy had no brain, that's for sure. Despite all that traffic and a double solid line, he still decided to pass the truck in front of him. This is wild. A tour bus in Chongqing, China somehow ignored the height clearance for an overpass and ended up scraping its own roof clean off. All right, the bulldozer is pushing dirt toward the excavator, leveling the ground, and that's perfectly fine. But you see that? See that slight lean to the side? That's a big warning sign for the operator. It's a sign that the ground underneath him is giving way. It's a sign that he needs to react as soon as possible. But nope, he didn't give a damn. Instead of immediately pulling the excavator back or swinging the bucket onto the ground to support himself, he did absolutely nothing until the very last moment. By then, it was already too late to do anything. The result, well, you can see for yourselves how it ended. But here, at our mine, this is how we do it. This is how we respond when there's a potential danger, fast and efficient. A fully loaded Belaz haul truck lost all power just before reaching the top of the climb. No power at all. The first loaded haul truck nearby immediately dumped its load behind it to make sure it couldn't roll backward. Well, there's no waiting, no second guessing, just a fast response. That's how it's done. Just remember, firefighters have every right to damage a car if it's blocking access to an emergency. When lives are on the line, your car is the last thing they're worried about. Something similar happened here too, only this time the firefighters had nothing to do with it. This dude turned a perfectly round rim into a 9-sided one. And just look at those marks he left on the road. It's like he was out there marking where they needed to cut the asphalt. Now watch this. This is hilarious. This is awesome. A police chase that looks like it came straight out of a Bollywood movie. You know, Hollywood is America's film industry, while Bollywood is India's. But this thing right here, this is even better than Bollywood. This is real. The chase just reached a whole new level. This Mad Max looking truck already smashed through the first roadblock. Well, you can even call that a roadblock. The second one's a little more serious, so let's see what happens. Well, I told you guys, this is better than a movie. In the last video, I showed you this clip where a guy tried to get a wheel loader up on its 2 front wheels. But to pull something like that off, you have to be a pro with a whole lot of skill. When you try a stunt like this, you have to keep your balance using the front wheels, and that's a lot harder than it looks. Instead, this jackass kissed the windshield and ended up with the machine stalled, sitting on its front wheels with the rear end hanging in the air. Way to go, bro. Soon after, a bulldozer showed up to support the bucket so the loader wouldn't slam down on its rear end. Let's see what happens. Now you're about to see how a real pro does it. And he's doing it with an empty bucket, which makes it even harder to pull off. And look at this guy. Just look at that magic. That's exactly what I was talking about earlier. The key to this trick is keeping the balance on the front wheels. I'll let you guys enjoy a little more of this magic dance. really awesome, but I don't think the boss would be too happy if he saw this. This is a nightmare. It's the end of the shift, and this truck broke down right in the middle of the haul road, blocking everyone else from getting through. You probably noticed there's nobody on the right side, but the right side is reserved for smaller vehicles like tonely trucks, service trucks, and SUVs. As you can see, there's already a long line of haul trucks waiting to park, so the drivers can go home. We can see the loader dumped a bucket of material behind the truck's wheels to secure it. Let's get a little closer and take a look. In the end, they had to call in a bulldozer to move it so the other trucks could get through. Another recovery, but this time I don't think it's going to end well. The broken truck was almost half loaded. A deadly landslide hit a tunnel construction site in Kerala, India, after days of heavy monsoon rain. A huge mass of mud and debris buried part of the work area, killing at least 3 people, while several others were reported missing. Rescue teams rushed to the scene, and authorities have launched an investigation as work on the project remains suspended. I don't know, guys. If those 2 people in the previous clip were lucky, I don't even know what to call this. The eternal battle between heavy equipment operators and haul truck drivers. And you're about to see why. He raised the dump body to shift more weight onto the rear wheels, which is actually a good idea and a pretty smart solution. But it's definitely not a good solution for me. A bunch of huge boulders ended up all over the haul road, and now I'm the one who has to clean them up. Well, that's my job after all. It's no secret that Americans love having fun with old military equipment, especially tanks. But one of those joyrides almost turned into a tragedy. Well, what you're looking at isn't some AI crap. This is 100% real. If anyone knows what the issue is, let me know down below. I'm definitely not a mechanic, so I'd love to hear your opinion on it. And I'm definitely not a fan of bikes. No matter how carefully you ride or how much you look out for yourself, there's always some jackass who comes out of nowhere and turns your ride into a real nightmare. And here's another jackass who thinks he owns the road. This time, though, the bikers gave him exactly what he deserved, and boy, this is so satisfying to watch. I just love footage from this part of the world. People there are so unpredictable, so, I don't know, guys, just take a look at this. Obviously, there's a recovery going on, but this guy on a bike still decided to ride right through it. This is wild. All right, this happened in Talegaon Dabhad, a town near Pune in the Indian state of Maharashtra. During a pressure test on a newly installed water pipeline, the pipe burst underground, sending a massive jet of water through the road. The incident raised questions about the quality of the construction work, and authorities later launched an investigation. I don't know about you guys, but to me, this looks like a cut in someone's skin with blood literally gushing out. Now this is so wrong, so bad. I can understand destroying nature because of mining like we do. That's just the reality of mining. Sometimes destroying the environment is unavoidable, and that's just how the industry works. But this right here, this should be a crime. This guy literally dumped a septic tank full of chemicals and all kinds of nasty shit straight into nature. That's just disgusting. Human stupidity never ends. This accident happened on the road between Bhavni Mahadev and Kumbi village in Maharashtra, India. The guy just somehow avoided death. Usually stunts like this end tragically. No wonder, the poor sucker was trying to drive a tractor up. I'd say it was about a 40-degree steep slope. Nothing should surprise us. This is India, after all. Two workers in China were injured after metal shelving frames collapsed on top of them. I'd say the workers are mostly to blame here. They weren't paying attention to what was going on around them. They were looking at their phones, and they weren't wearing safety helmets. That's exactly how workplace accidents happen. Industrial accidents are some of the worst accidents in the world. People literally get pulled into presses, fall into shredders, get caught in rotating machinery, and in the worst cases, even fall into pots of molten metal. Something similar happened at this steel plant. Whether it was a mechanical failure or human error, a pot full of molten metal spilled, sending metal at nearly 1,600 degrees Celsius across the entire plant and leaving behind what looked like a lake of lava. A nearly identical accident happened just a month ago at the Visakhapatnam steel plant in India. A ladle carrying molten metal exploded while it was being moved to the casting unit. The catastrophic spill killed 10 workers and seriously injured 6 others. Blind spots, one of the nastiest things on the road. The good thing is that nobody was standing where that car was parked. And for the end, here's something truly terrifying. This is every heavy equipment operator's worst nightmare. Just look at the devastating consequences of working in an uncontrolled and unsafe quarry. That giant rock literally smashed right into the cab. Luckily, the operator bailed out just in time and avoided certain death. Well, guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, stay safe out there.